Creating classic reports helps you keep a clear pulse on your business. Whether you're tracking open tasks, pending estimates, unpaid invoices, or team activity, classic reports help you stay in control and keep work moving forward. You'll find your classic reports right in the navigation bar at the top of your screen. To get started quickly, check out the My Saved Reports section. There are several pre-built reports already waiting for you, so you don't have to start from scratch. If you're ready to build your own, click Create Report and choose the type of report you want to generate. In the top section of the Report Builder, you will need to add a report name, a description of what the report will display, select the number of records to display on each page, and determine who the report is available to. Next, use the drop-downs at the top to adjust the report details to display the data and information you need. In the first drop-down, you can add a new column that will determine what data is displayed on the report. The options that appear here will depend on the type of report you are creating. Once added, the column will be displayed on the report at the bottom and can be rearranged by dragging and dropping it into place. Use the Remove Column drop-down to take out any data you don't want to view in the report. You can also click on the column headers to sort the report based on the data in that column. To narrow things down, use filters. For example, if you want to see only open tasks, you might add filters for Is Completed and Is Archived. Your filters will appear right above the report where you can adjust them anytime. If you want quick totals or summaries, add a calculation. For instance, you can total up the amount due across all open invoices, so you always know what's outstanding. Once everything looks right, click Save in the top right corner. Your report will be added to your saved reports and ready whenever you need it. With the right report in place, you're not just looking at data. You're making faster decisions, keeping your team accountable, and making sure nothing falls through the cracks.